Welcome to our channel. Today I'm Deepak presenting you here one of the trending topic, that is basically power tracking in the power systems for the electrical domain. The technology that we have designed here is basically the MPPT based system, which is the maximum power tracking system. So these are basically the devices which are used to track the output power. For an example, if we are using any of the power source and it is giving some rating, for example, if any of the power source has solar PV array, if it is configured that it will give the output of around 137 volts. So whether it is providing that or not, if not, then how we can maintain that? Such things are being done in this particular model, right? So MPPT is a device which is basically tracking the power at the output, so that maximum power can be achieved at the output, right? So in this particular implementation we have designed two of the models. One is with the MPPT system with the solar power, along with the fuzzy controller designing, which is also provided in one of our another video, which is totally only the modification on the traditional MPPTs. Along with this we have done one more modification in which we have hybridized the three energy source. One is battery, diesel generator and the PV array. So three power sources over there, so that output voltage can be traced. So you can see in front of you there is one of the system which is this is basically the MPPT with the fuzzy controller FIS file is being generated in the fuzzy logic toolbox of the MATLAB. Fuzzy is under the soft computing technique, right? So when I'm going to run this, it will simulate the result at the output and will show the voltage variations which is traced by using the MPPT, and also graphically representation is being done in this particular model. So an analysis for the voltage, current and power is being done. So this model is basically a modification on the traditional MPPT, that how fuzzy MPPT model is behaving with respect to the simple MPPT system. In second model we have designed a model with the three of the power sources, which is the diesel generator, BESS, that is battery energy source, PV array, and the fuzzy based MPPT, that is the advancement done by our side, right? So when I'm going to run this particular model, it will execute the whole model and will give us the output at in the term of the voltage, which will be up to the maximum value and up to the desired value. So this is the basically the modification, that the control system is controlling the voltage at the output and providing the maximum voltage, so it can easily be used for any of the application area. So similarly the voltage, current and power values are being analyzed over here, and once the whole simulation is being done, after the time period for the simulation that we have given, final results are being saved and compared with the another model, so that we can show that our system is advanced model with respect to the previous models, right? So in the same field there are many other options are also available, as with the MPPT the fuzzy is being used, the another system, intelligent systems, can also be introduced to this. The power sources, those we are using here, the faults can be there, those can also be considered. So number of possibilities for the modifications and for the research purpose can be addition to this particular topic. So I hope you people like this video, and specifically for the electrical domain you guys can go for this, because the currently topics are basically for the MPPT devices, for the FACT devices, and even for the different power sources, for the renewable resources. So all these domains are covered by our side, so you can directly consult with us or can share your idea, so that we can assist you in the implementation or in any of your part, right? So I hope you people like this video. Stay tuned to our channel for getting the new ideas and the new research work that we are performing in the domain, multiple domains, as electronics, electrical, and computer science, and many others, right? So thanks for watching the video. Thank you.